The overall objective of Chetana is to improve the livelihood options for the small and marginal farmers in the rainfed regions of India by making farm systems more sustainable, viable and profitable. That is the vision of Chetana. So towards that direction we are organizing the farmers, making them vibrant institutions, then providing them technical support services to enhance the productivity and stabilize the yields. And also we are facilitating markets for their produce. So also through the cooperatives we are trying to create infrastructure facilities for adding value to the producers. Also right now focusing on domestic market development. According to the international guidelines and the national program for organic production, some set of standards set for organic production. So the certification process ensures that these farmers followed all the standards specified by the guidelines. Even Japanese, they have Japanese agriculture standards. So this organic certification ensures that documentary evidence created at every level and certifies that this product process followed in the production is fully organic.
Okay.
Complied with the norms, international norms. Felishimo and Toyoshimo, they approached Chetana because of the intervention from JICA. So since we are working with the farmers, we collaborated last year. So this program has two major thrust areas. One is to provide support to the farmers who are transforming into organic farming. Another one is to support children in education, because this region education infrastructure is very poor and quality of education is poor. So their support is very valuable here. That gives boost to the cooperatives to take up additional activities which otherwise not possible.